Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. So I got my iPad Pro here and we're going to go over IPadOS 17 Developer Beta 2, which has been out for about a week or so. I've been putting it through its paces. I want to tell you the 4 or 5 things that I like what they've done with the operating system and see what y'all think. If y'all have installed it, let me know how you like it. Relatively stable. Its battery life's been good, the whole bit. So let's drop that here on the table, show you what we got. Alright, number one change that I like for the IPadOS 17 is the health app on the iPad. It's been on the iPhone and the Apple Watch for quite a while, but having it on this big sheet of glass really makes a difference for me. You can have all your trending data, your heart rate, how much activity you've had, all that stuff. You can go in and create a dashboard with everything you want on it. And you can go on the left-hand side on the sidebar, check out your summary. You can share it with people or your doctor. Or you can go into each category: sleep, nutrition, activity, whatever, mental well-being. Your doctor's visits, hospital visits, whatever, right here. You can do that, but I'm a big data nerd anyway, and trending my data, especially my health data, me getting older, and I've been on a diet for the last 4 months, lost a lot of weight, and I've been tracking my activity level and my nutrition along with my Apple Watch. It has really been neat to be able to do this, and I like trending data anyway for some strange reason. But yeah, you can go in, you can see everything that you're doing. And one thing Apple has really promoted, that they are going after the privacy aspect of this. You know, they are keeping your data private. I know you're looking at my stuff here, but I don't care how many steps you know that I've taken today. You know, I don't have anything out there that's pertinent. But yeah, the health app is my number one change that I really like seeing on this big sheet of glass. Let's go to the next one. All right, second on my list are the interactive widgets that you can put on your home screen now. And I know a lot of computers and tablets and stuff have widgets and stuff, but this works with everything that I do. My smart home, YouTube, my health app, and the whole bit. You know, I have my sleep. You know, I can track my sleep back from the health app just from the widget. My smart home, I can actually just click on anything on that widget. Let's say I want to change my thermostat. Automatically, there it is. That's pretty neat. YouTube, I can go straight to YouTube. I can track everything on my Weight Watchers app, which we're on Weight Watchers. And that's a third-party app where I can actually track everything. But to go to the widgets, all you do is hold down on your home screen, you edit your home screen, and then up on the top left, hit the plus. It'll give you the recommended, or you can go through and find whichever application you have where you want to put a widget on, which is what I like being able to do. I like being able to customize everything I've got. Let's say you want to go to the weather app. You can put a weather widget on there, whatever size. They're allowing you to customize your home screen really good. And if you want to customize a widget, a lot of the widgets have an API that the developers write against. You can actually open a context menu, edit the widget. Right now it's showing the recommended, but I can turn it off. And I can go through my smart home and I can add whatever I want to this widget to make it as customizable as I want. I'm going to leave it on recommended just for this. But I can turn the Roku in the living room off and on, just thermostat. I can open and close the garage doors from here. And it tells me that the garage door is open right now. So that is a neat deal. Interactive widgets. I really like them. So lock screen customization and widgets, my next one. That's generally the first one for everybody, but hold down on the glass and it gives you this. You can switch between different desktops or different home screens and lock screens. I keep saying desktop. I'm so used to the Mac and the Windows machine. So you can customize. You'll pick the lock screen and it allows you to change your picture to different colors or filters. You can actually change the color wash of it. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can change the depth effect. You can actually send this picture back to your photo library. You can change your picture. Let's say I change it to this one. Just that quick. You have different widgets here for your time. You can change the font, color, weight, the whole bit. Your calendar widget, you can change it to whatever, just about whatever you want. So now it tells me the sunset's 8:55. You got all that, and then you can pinch and crop your picture to however you want it. And then on the left-hand side over here, you have your widget bar. All you just tap that, and it gives you an applet of all the different widgets you can have. It gives you the suggested, and then you can go through and pick which one, just like you can on the interactive widgets. You know, your home app, you can pick whichever one of these you want, and you can have it load up in the widget bar. There are third-party widgets that you can get for this too that the developers are coding against. Right now it's kind of limited, but there are several showing up. And then they'll populate over here on the side, and having all this space is really neat to have all that. So then you hit done. It'll save it. You hit customize and then go back to your lock screen or your home screen, and you can change your picture. You can put a color, a gradient. You can change the gradient. Go back to a photo, or you can blur the photo if that's the effect that you want to have. I want to go back to this photo and I want to unblur it. That's my kid with a nice fish. And they have, you can actually put a live photo, so when you go to the lock screen, it'll actually show it. And they have some built-in, if I can get to it, they have some built-in templates here, like with the astronomy. The astronomy is a neat deal. The pictures on this are just amazing. And they'll actually change color as the day and night come. I mean, that's a pretty picture right there. That's pretty cool. We'll leave it on that for right now. So you see, I only have my smart home widgets and this. So there you have it, lock screen, home screen widgets and customization. So on your lock screen, you can now have activities show up. Let's say you're tracking a package, you have timers. There are several third-party applications. So if I have a timer going, where's my clock app at? There it is. So I set a timer, but I don't want to open up and go to this screen every time I want to see the status of that timer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just lock it. Now I've got my timer showing up right here. And all I have to do is go here and look. If I'm tracking a package, there are several different applications that you can install that you can do that. But let's say I have 4 or 5 timers. Let's say I have 4 or 5 timers going for different things that I'm doing. We'll do that. So now when I go to my home screen or my lock screen, it has all of them. So now I can have my eggs, steak, bacon, whatever going, potatoes, artichokes, and a whole bit. I can be cooking that they can, I don't have to swipe up, unlock. All I have to do is look at that. And I think this is going to get better as we go along. This is only the developer beta too. We haven't even hit public beta yet, so I think we're going to be good. Okay, last thing on my list is being able to use an external camera with your iPad. I can see this really taking off once they enable the applications. You can have like an OBS or Ecamm, StreamYard, whatever, and make the iPad your mobile streaming device. That's going to be a cool deal. So right here I just have an old Logitech webcam, and I have a USB-C adapter on it right here. What we're going to do, we're going to open up FaceTime, and as you can see my DSLR sitting there. I'm using this camera right here. So all we're going to do is plug this in, and there you have it. Not a great image, but I can see this working really good in the future. I knocked the cable off here. It wouldn't. I can see this working with an OBS or Ecamm or something that just for the iPad, that's going to be cool. Then it's making it more like a computer than just a tablet. But yeah, working in FaceTime, it works really good. You're still using the microphones on the device. But if you hook up a USB hub on here, you can have a USB microphone already. So you can make this into when they get it enabled, you can make this into a neat little streaming setup. So that's the last one right there. So there you have it. The 5 changes that they've made to IPadOS 17 Developer Beta 2 that I really like. And if you've watched my channel for very long, you know that the iPad is one of my favorite devices. And I really enjoy using it. So if you've installed the developer beta, let me know how it's going for you, good or bad. Let me know about the things that you like or don't like, because there are going to be things that I don't like about it. But right now, so far, it's been really nice. It's had a couple little app crashes, but that's to be expected. I'm a software guy myself, and I know about software crashes. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified when I put out more content. And if you're over on Rumble, do the same thing. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day and a good week so far. But like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.